Are you losing track of your cash spending and feeling like it's a black hole in your budget? You Need a Budget, or YNAB, can absolutely help you get a handle on those dollars. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage cash transactions effectively within YNAB. First, create an off-budget account specifically for cash. To do this, click Add Account, then select Unlinked and choose Cash. Name it something clear like My Wallet or Cash on Hand. This keeps your cash separate from your bank accounts, which are typically on budget. Next, when you spend cash, manually enter each transaction into this off-budget account. Be sure to record the date, the vendor, or a description of where you spent the money, and most importantly, the correct category from your budget. We're buying groceries. Categorize it as groceries. When you withdraw cash from the ATM, record this as a transfer from your on-budget checking account to your off-budget cash account. This ensures the money is accounted for as it moves from your tracked checking account into your cash holdings. Finally, regularly reconcile your cash account. Compare the amount of cash you actually have with the balance shown in YNAB. If there's a difference, create an adjustment transaction to match your actual cash on hand. Categorize this adjustment to be budgeted. By following these steps, you'll gain clear insights into where your cash is going, ensuring your budget accurately reflects your spending and helps you achieve your financial goals.